Fly now. Call me in. Okay, this one's dead.
Ultimatum.
Sniff let it land on the dead one. Yep. You should be able to. But I might call in a 500. Oh! Never mind, I'm calling in the 500 on my feet.
You are calling it in.
You got no kills? Peek.
That's a tenderlizer. Tender whatever.
It's the specific Borok space program.
You have served democracy well. Extraction awaits.
We are the space program.
You're not even on it, so it looks like you're flying behind it.
God.
And your
Oh,
head's
I'm way
gone.
I lived.
I just died.
Can I hit it? Where hell's best?
By the way, if you didn't know already,
Hey, you can pick up samples while using your hover pack. Like, don't put yourself out if you can't pick them up. Oh, that was perfect. Except for the part where Quinn fell out.
oh look, I'm almost dead again.
Yeah, I can't.
They abandoned our mission and our cause. Execution was our only choice.
It's so blurred I couldn't tell what was happening there.